Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English lesson with me, Emma. Today is Saturday, and I'm going to my favorite coffee shop. It's called Bean and Brew. I come here every weekend because the coffee is delicious and the atmosphere is very relaxing. In today's lesson, you're going to learn how to order food and drinks, how to ask for a seat, and how to make small talk with new people. Are you ready? Let's go inside. Okay, first, let's look at the menu. When you go to a coffee shop, it's a good idea to look at the menu before you order. This way, you know what you want and you won't feel nervous. They have many types of coffee here. Let me see. They have espresso, cappuccino, latte, americano, and mocha. They also have tea, hot chocolate, and fresh juice. I think I'll have a latte today. A latte is espresso with steamed milk. It's my favorite. What would you order? Think about it. Now, let's go to the counter and order.
Good morning. Welcome to Bean and Brew. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing great, thank you. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Thanks for asking. Is this your first time here?
No, actually. I come here quite often. I really love this place.
That's great to hear. So, what can I get for you today?
Let me think. Can I have a latte, please?
Of course. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
This is a very common question. Listen carefully. What size would you like? I'll have a medium, please.
Medium latte. Got it. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a bit chilly outside today.
Good choice. Would you like any flavor syrup? We have vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut.
Ooh, vanilla sounds nice. Yes, please add vanilla.
Perfect. Anything else? Maybe something to eat? We have fresh pastries, muffins, and sandwiches.
What do you recommend?
Our blueberry muffins are very popular. They're baked fresh every morning.
That sounds delicious. I'll have one blueberry muffin, please.
Excellent choice. So that's one medium hot vanilla latte and one blueberry muffin. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
All right, that'll be $7.25.
Can I pay by card?
Of course, you can tap or insert your card here. Thank you. Your order will be ready in about 3 minutes. I'll call your name. What's your name?
It's Emma.
Great, Emma. Please wait by the pickup counter over there.
Thank you so much. While I wait for my order, let me show you around. This coffee shop has a really nice design. There are comfortable sofas near the window, and there are also small tables for people who want to work on their laptops. Over there, you can see some people reading books. And there, some friends are chatting and laughing. Coffee shops are great places to relax, study, or meet friends.
Emma, your order is ready.
That's me, thank you. Now I need to find a place to sit. Let's see if there's an empty table. The cafe is quite crowded today. I don't see any empty tables, but I see a table with an empty seat. In English, we can politely ask, "Is this seat taken?" Or, "Do you mind if I sit here?" Let me try. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Oh, no, it's free. Please, have a seat. Are you sure? I don't want to bother you. Not at all, I'd be happy to have some company. Thank you so much. That's very kind of you. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you too, Sophie. Do you come here often? Yes, I do. I come here almost every weekend. It's my favorite spot to relax. Same here. I love the atmosphere. It's so peaceful. I know, right? And the coffee is amazing. So, Sophie, what do you do? Are you a student or do you work? I'm a graphic designer. I work for a marketing company downtown. What about you? That sounds interesting. I'm an English teacher. Really? That's so cool. Do you teach at a school? I teach online. I make video lessons for English learners around the world. Wow, that's amazing. I've always wanted to learn another language. Languages are so useful when traveling. They really are. Do you like traveling?
I love it! I went to Japan last year. It was incredible. Have you been there? Not yet, but it's on my bucket list. I really want to visit Tokyo and Kyoto. You should definitely go. The food is amazing, and the people are so friendly. I've heard that. What was your favorite thing about Japan? That's a hard question. I think it was the temples in Kyoto. They were so beautiful and peaceful. That sounds wonderful. I hope I can go someday. Oh, there's my friend James. James, over here!
Hey, Sophie. Sorry I'm late. The bus was delayed.
No worries. James, this is Emma. We just met. Emma, this is my friend James. Hi, James. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Do you mind if I join you?
Not at all. Please, sit down.
Thanks. So, how do you two know each other?
We actually just met. Emma was looking for a seat, and I invited her to sit with me.
Oh, that's cool. It's always nice to meet new people. So, Emma, are you from around here?
Yes, I live about 15 minutes away from here. I walk here every Saturday morning. What about you?
I live near the train station, so I usually take the bus. Sophie and I went to university together.
Oh, that's nice. Have you been friends for a long time? Yes, we've known each other for about 5 years now. Time flies, doesn't it? It really does.
So, do you have any plans for the rest of the weekend?
I'm going to visit a museum this afternoon. There's a new art exhibition I want to see. Oh, which museum? The City Art Museum. Have you been there before? Yes, it's a great museum. I went there last month.
I haven't been there in ages. I should go again soon.
You should. What are you two doing this weekend? We're going to have dinner at a new Italian restaurant tonight. James found it online.
Yeah, it has really good reviews. I'm excited to try it.
That sounds lovely. I love Italian food. What's your favorite Italian dish?
I really like pasta carbonara. It's so creamy and delicious.
For me, it's pizza margherita. Simple but perfect. Those are great choices. Now I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Oh, look at the time. I should probably get going soon. I don't want to be late for the museum. It was really nice talking to you, Emma.
Yeah, it was great meeting you.
Same here. You're both so friendly. Hey, would you like to exchange phone numbers? Maybe we could meet up again sometime. That's a great idea. I'd love to.
Me too. Here, let me give you my number.
Perfect. Maybe we can all grab coffee together next weekend. That sounds wonderful. Let's make a plan. Great. I'll text you during the week. Sounds good. Have fun at the museum.
Yes, enjoy the exhibition.
Thank you. And enjoy your dinner tonight. Thanks, Emma. Take care.
See you soon.
Bye. It was lovely meeting you both. Before I go, let's do a quick practice together. I'll say a phrase and you repeat it out loud. Are you ready? Number 1. Can I have a medium latte, please? Number 2. Is this seat taken? Number 3. What do you do? Number 4. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Number 5. It was nice meeting you. Excellent job. Practice these phrases at home and try to use them in real life. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. That's all for today's lesson, everyone. Let's review what we learned. First, we learned how to order food and drinks at a coffee shop. Remember to say please and thank you. It's always polite. Second, we learned how to ask for a seat. You can say, "Is this seat taken?" Or, "Do you mind if I sit here?" Third, we learned how to make small talk with new people. Ask about their job, their hobbies, or their weekend plans. And finally, we learned how to exchange contact information and make plans to meet again. Making new friends can be easy. Just be friendly, smile, and start a conversation. You never know who you might meet. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.